uthi ngisuke labantu bazozwa nina la nikhuluma nge-sex to sayithatha kodwa leli. So if we look at the US dollar against the rand, as it stands, the rand against the dollar is trading around 18.51869. So currently the dollar is approaching the highest point reached, which is 18 rands against the rand. So 1 US dollar, when you convert it into South African rands, is equals to 18 rand 0.51869. So the highest price reached was 19 rand 0.23650. So we can expect a reversal pattern around 19,000, which is our highest price reach. So you always sell high and buy low. So this pending buy can rise until 18,051.869, or even break up to 19,023.650. So to be wise in terms of a pending order, you can expect a sell limit or in trigger a sell limit order around 18.97.60, because that's almost 50 pips above the highest price reached in history. Then if we look back and the opportunity for sellers, since it's gonna be the biggest opportunity for sellers, because the first quarter will close with a strong bullish entry around a highest price reach, which is a sell entry if they don't go beyond with the buy movement. But so far we can expect it to fall until, let's check for a resistance or a zone that was broken and never retested. So if the dollar loses power, it can drop or decline until 16,000.17 16 rands 0.17638. So that's our lowest price that will be reached. Since we have a channel that is running through let me see, the channel is running through the first lowest price reach is 13 rands. The second price, which is the second lowest, is 14 rands 0.42. So they can create another support around this zone around 16 rands 0.23935, since the economy is affected hugely by COVID-19 and other viruses that are there. So we can expect them to be weaker. We can look for reference in other indexes like Nasdaq and other stocks that are affected by the current disease that is running through. So for now, we can expect USDs to fall stronger if they reach the highest price reach. Then we can also expect gold to buy strong, since there's a correlation. If gold is going high, then the US dollar is losing power, then the South African rand is gaining momentum. Since we also provide companies like Anglo Americans with some resources like gold, so they depend on us. If they lose power, we gain power, because they buy our gold with